Good evening, Dave and Carolyn. We've all heard the chance for change in the streets, and we've seen the protesters right here in Detroit, much of it on our air. But now some skeptical of the governor's new plans to address racism. The state in a fight to root out racism.
The department will take to address systemic racism.
Today, Governor Whitmer declaring racism a public health crisis. This while people of color are 4 times more likely to die from COVID-19 than other Americans. And as our country struggles under the weight of historic social unrest. Karen Dumas is a lifelong Detroiter and was chief of communications under former Detroit Mayor Dave Bing. She's skeptical an advisory committee can change hearts and minds.
We keep seeing committees, we keep seeing commissions, we're hearing and seeing those things, but we're not seeing the results of any of those. So to keep piling on something that has not yet proven to be results oriented is a little disingenuous.
Inkster Mayor Patrick Wimberly says Governor Whitmer spoke with him today about her proposed Black Leaders Advisory Council. He thinks it's a crucial step in the fight for change.
This is not a political thing. This is a human thing. This is true social equity. This is true justice.
The new advisory council will consist of 16 people. The governor also announced state employees will now be mandated to take implicit bias training
to develop our policies and paths to opportunity for Black Michiganders.
Dumas says there's not one answer, but certainly racial bias training and awareness are key ingredients.
If you really want change, you've got to inject yourself into situations that may be unusual or uncomfortable. We have to have difficult conversations, and we've got to be willing to come out and do and try some things differently.
And back out here live, the big question tonight, will this create meaningful change? We'll just have to wait and see. Meantime, we expect to sit down with the Lieutenant Governor to hear more about this advisory council. Live in Detroit, I'm Rudy Harper, 7 Action News.